Indulge and Beyond, the channel full of fun and excitement.
Travel with us around the world and visit fabulous places. Enjoy delicious cuisine from making to tasting and endless entertaining performances.
Please subscribe and enjoy this complete package of entertainment.
Indulge and Beyond is here only for you.
Welcome to another episode of Indulge and Beyond. So today we'll take you through our journey. We will be flying this week. Spring break has started. Vaccination for COVID has been started. So things are improving. So be with us. We try to give you as much as details as possible. Flying situation, so that if you're planning to fly, hopefully this video will help you. And be with us. Have fun in this journey. Let's go. So you can see it's morning, 5 o'clock. It's still dark outside. We're going to the airport right now. So we will park our car here and then take the bus ride to airport. We are flying through United.
So friends, we're in the airport. We are just waiting to board the aircraft. It's going to be flying in 20 minutes. So yeah, pretty busy. Spring break, pretty busy. So yeah, stay with us. We'll show you the places where we're going to. Thank you.
So the airport looks pretty crowded, as you can see. Looks like the flight could be full too. So we'll see. A lot of people are flying. Everybody is wearing masks, so that's good. That's our flight. Our flight was pretty full. Hand sanitizer was given to everyone. Boarding started from back rows. Only 1 to 5 seats at a time, keeping social distancing as much as possible. Of course, wearing mask is mandatory in the flight. They have started providing snacks in this goodie bag where they had small bottle of water, of course one sanitizer, a cookie and a bag of pretzels. Kids were so hungry they had to eat. He was excited to get a United pin. We are almost there, flying over Atlantic Ocean towards Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale is known for its extensive network of canals within the city limits. To exit the aircraft, only certain rows, maybe 5 at a time, was called from the front and rest of us was requested to be seated. This helped maintaining the social distancing.
Okay, so we are in Fort Lauderdale right now. So it took like almost 2 hours 15 minutes in the flight from Cleveland. So now it is 10:30 over here, morning AM. So we're going to pick our luggage and then go to Avis for pick our car. We select a minivan. That's a Sienna hybrid minivan. We got some selection, so I already selected that. So yeah, so let's go and be with us.
Florida airport. We are going to take our rental car and then from here we'll go to our hotel. So let's see what car we get and how it looks. Weather is super cool, so super excited. So cool. It's really a nice big size minivan.
So we have our car. This is a Toyota Sienna 2021 brand new model. It's a hybrid. So the plan from here, from airport, we're going to drive towards western southern side of Florida, Marcos Island. So friends, stay with us. More episodes on Florida visit is coming up in this channel, Indulge and Beyond. Stay tuned. Thank you.